Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use draw reins correctly. Draw reins are a training aid designed to encourage your horse to work in a more rounded frame, engaging its back and hindquarters. They apply gentle pressure to the bit when the horse raises its head too high, prompting it to lower its poll. Remember, they are not for forcing a head position, but for guiding the horse towards a more athletic and balanced way of going. Use them as a temporary tool, not a permanent solution. To set up draw reins, attach them to the girth, either between the front legs or on the sides, then thread them through the bit rings. Bring them back to your hands, holding them underneath your regular reins. The key is to ensure they are not tight when your horse is in a correct, rounded frame. They should only engage when the horse raises its head above the desired level, providing a gentle reminder. Aim for a soft, elastic connection, never a rigid pull. When riding with draw reins, your primary focus must always be on forward movement and impulsion from your horse's hindquarters. Use your legs to drive the horse forward into the contact. Only apply a gentle, momentary pressure with the draw reins if your horse raises its head too high. The instant your horse softens and lowers its head, immediately release the pressure. This teaches the horse to seek the correct frame and rewards its efforts. A common mistake is over-tightening draw reins, which can cause a horse to become defensive or go behind the bit. Remember, these are not meant to force a head position. Another error is relying on them too heavily. They are a temporary training tool, not a permanent solution. Limit their use to short, focused sessions, perhaps 20 minutes at most, to avoid creating resentment or stiffness. Always prioritize your horse's comfort and understanding over a quick fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.